Hello students, greetings of the day. In our previous videos, we have studied about the parts of the speech, and now today we are going to study about adjective. Do you know what is adjective? We have learned in our previous classes. So adjective is a word, is the part of the speech which is used with a noun or a pronoun and adds to its meaning or by qualifying it. Adjective क्या कहते हैं? Adjective is that parts of a speech. An adjective is that of part of speech which is used with a noun or a pronoun. And adds to its meaning or to its meaning by qualifying it. What is an adjective? An adjective is that part of speech. एक adjective parts of speech वो parts of speech है which is used with a noun or a pronoun, जो कि एक noun और pronoun के साथ use करी जाती है and adds और to its meaning और उसकी meaning में कुछ extra add करती है by qualifying it. उसमें उसका विशेषता गुण अवगुण को बताती है. So we can also say that the adjective is a qualifying word. For example, Mohini is an intelligent girl. Mohini is an intelligent girl. यहाँ मोहिनी क्या है? मोहिनी is an intelligent girl. मोहिनी एक होशियार लड़की है. यहाँ इंटेलिजेंट शब्द जो है वो किसके बारे में इस्तेमाल किया गया है? इंटेलिजेंट वर्ड इज यूज्ड फॉर मोहिनी. इट एड्स समथिंग मोर अबाउट द गर्ल मोहिनी. ये मोहिनी के बारे में और भी कुछ बताता है, जैसे कि ये उसकी विशेषता है कि वो बहुत इंटेलिजेंट गर्ल है. और that girl is very talkative. That girl is very talkative. वह लड़की बहुत बातूनी है. यहाँ बातूनी हम किसके लिए इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं? For which here the word talkative for whom we are used? For girl. We are using talkative word for that girl. उस लड़की के लिए जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा बातूनी है. That girl is very talkative. Got it? यहाँ पे talkative is a example of adjective. Now kinds of adjective. There are 8 kinds of adjective. There are 8 kinds of adjective. Kinds of adjective. Number 1, adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Quality. Number 2, adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. Number 3, adjective of number. Adjective of number. Number 4, adjective of demonstration. Adjective of demonstration. Demonstration. Number 5, adjective of interrogation. Adjective of interrogation. Number 6, proper adjective. Proper adjective. Number 7, possessive adjective. Possessive adjective. Number 8, distributive adjective. Distributive adjective. Now got it? Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, adjective of demonstration, adjective of interrogation, proper adjective, possessive adjective and distributive adjective. Got it? How many kinds of adjective? There are 8 kinds of adjective, and in our next video we will talk about all these kinds of adjective. So till then we will be continue.